Up, guys? Hope you are well. Welcome to another training. Today we talk about top lead gen mistakes coaches make. Before watching this, we have created another detailed framework on lead gen, detailed training है on our YouTube channel. It's called How to Generate Unlimited Leads. Check that out. उसमें lead gen concept को मैंने in depth समझा रखा है. But today we'll be थोड़ा सा recap दूंगा आपको lead gen exactly होता क्या है. And we talk about the top mistakes fitness coaches make. And those who don't know me, my name is Yashwardhan Swami. Our parent company is called Trained by YBS. And we help coaches like you start and grow your fitness business to up to 2 crore rupees per annum. Online fitness business, no other business. हम किसी और business में deal नहीं करते. Online fitness businesses only. So if you're a transformation coach, this would be highly relevant for you. And coaches have these problem. A lot of times coaches say that, my business is not growing because I don't have enough leads. Guys, प्रिंसिपल ये आपको लीड नहीं चाहिए, आपको क्लाइंट्स चाहिए, राइट? सो आपको ये चीज समझनी पड़ेगी कि मोर देन लीड्स यू वांट क्लाइंट्स. और तीन प्रोसेसेस होते हैं. पहला प्रोसेस होता है लीड जेन. दैट मीन्स आपकी सर्विस में इंटरेस्ट जनरेट करवाना. लीड जेन इज मेनली जस्ट जनरेटिंग इंटरेस्ट इन योर सर्विसेज. जब इंटरेस्ट को डीपन करना है, उसको कहते हैं नर्चर. एग्जाम्पल देता हूं. आज आपने मेरी पहली बार यूट्यूब वीडियो देखी आज. So that's like first time आप देख रहे हो, आपको पता लगा कि okay, this is this guy, and this guy helps people start and grow their fitness businesses. That's lead gen. थोड़े दिन तक आप मेरी रेगुलर यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखते रहते हो. आप इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल जाके देखोगे, आप जाके हमारे रिजल्ट्स देखोगे, क्लाइंट रिजल्ट्स देखोगे. ओवर टाइम आपका इंटरेस्ट डीपन होगा एंड यू वुड बी लाइक, यार आई वांट टू जॉइन फिटनेस बिजनेस एक्सीलरेटर बिकॉज मुझे भी लेवल अप करना है. आई थिंक दीज आर द बेस्ट पीपल. उसको कहते हैं नर्चर. उसके बाद you'll contact us, and if you like our offer, you'll get converted. उसे कहते हैं कन्वर्जन. अब आपको ये चीज समझ आनी चाहिए कि लीड जनरेट होते ही दैट मीन्स आपने मेरी पहली बार यूट्यूब वीडियो देखी, उससे आप क्लाइंट नहीं बनोगे, राइट? सम पीपल डू, बट मोस्ट पीपल डोंट. आप मेरी और यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखोगे, आप मेरा और कंटेंट कंज्यूम करोगे, और टाइम लोगे, आप रिसर्च करोगे, आप ट्रेंड बाय वाईवीएस खोलोगे, ट्रेंड बाय वाईवीएस के पोस्ट देखोगे, आप देखोगे वेदर आई एम अ गुड कोच माई सेल्फ और नॉट, एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स. Then you'll message us or you'll fill a form. There's a form in the bio. You'll fill a form or you'll WhatsApp us. That's called conversion. तो लोगों को लगता है, काफी कोचेस को ये गलतफहमी है कि भाई लीड जेन होने से क्लाइंट बन जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है. योर बिजनेस इज अ कल्बिनेशन ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोसेसेस. दिस इज पार्ट वन, दिस इज पार्ट टू, एंड दिस इज पार्ट थ्री. तो आपने ये याद रखना है. दिस इज अ रिकैप. इस पर डिटेल्ड फ्रेमवर्क है ऑलरेडी. तो सबसे बड़ी गलती क्या करते हैं कोचेस, दैट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड देयर स्टेज. एग्जाम्पल देता हूं. योर आइडल कोच, whosoever your idol coach is, someone who you look up to. Assume that they are at 5 lakh rupees per month. The strategies they are using for lead gen at 5 lakh rupees per month, आपने at 1 lakh rupees per month नहीं use करनी. Maybe they are applicable, but in most cases they are not applicable. In my own businesses, I'm doing $1 million annual revenue, right? So strategies which I use would be very different than what you use. Now, if you from day one itself you are like, okay, I'll copy YVS, maybe some things would work, some things won't. Most things won't because आपको you don't understand my stage. I've been in business since last 8 years, right? So that is what. So आपने ये अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि आप जिसको भी आइडल को कॉपी कर रहे हो, ask yourself, are they at the same stage as yours? Most of the times the answer is no, and that's why आपकी कॉपी फेल हो जाती है. So that's why आपने ये देखना है कि अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि if someone is at 2 to 5 lakhs a month, उनकी strategies would be different to someone who's at 50,000 per month versus someone who's a complete beginner who has like zero clients right now. उनकी strategies would be different. अब आप किसी और को कॉपी कर रहे हो, that doesn't make sense, that won't work out, right? Just take inspiration and learn the principles they are following, right? One of the principles can be, you can learn from me, is provide value. Provide a lot of value to your clients and prospects, those even those who are not clients. Get great results for clients. That these are principles. Principles के आपने inspiration लेनी है, पर आपने strategies नहीं copy करनी है, because everyone is different, right? Different levels of fitness business comes with different processes, different action pointers. Example, I have a team of 15 right now, right? So we can handle lot more leads. We can spend lot more on ads and everything else, right? Principles do work. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, प्रोवाइड वैल्यू करो, ये सारी चीजें करो, बट डोंट कॉपी आंखें बंद करके कि यार ये कर रहा है तो चल ही रहा हो, right? Because otherwise it would be stupid because there are a lot of factors into this. Also, I find this very funny. Whenever I, run an ad, literally people copy it. And they don't understand that 80% of the ads I run are like experimenting, right? Because obviously I have to teach people at FBA and my high level mastermind FPE, right? So for that, I need to experiment a lot. So I burn a lot of money experimenting. Every month on an average, अपनी दोनों companies का मिलाऊं, I spend like 3 to 5 lakh rupees just experimenting. Right? Can you do that in the beginning? The answer is no. Later on, definitely. Right? So that's something which you need to understand. And everyone has a different product. That means different way of coaching, different service, different niche, and different background. For example, from day one itself, I have been very aggressive when it comes to investing money in myself and my business. Right? One of the main reasons for that is that, I never had a money related problem at my home. That means my dad is running a 10 times or even I would say up to 100 times more successful business than me. So money was never a problem for me. So, day one say I have been very aggressive. Should you be aggressive from day one? Depends upon your case, right? So understand karo stage or individuality. That's very important. Next issue similar to this, आपने यहाँ पे स्टेज किसी की और स्ट्रैटेजीज कॉपी करी है विदाउट सीइंग योर स्टेज. यहाँ पे आप बंदे की कॉपी कर रहे हो, राइट? Social media right now is saturated with people making big promises. I'll do this or you don't pay. 90% ads से दिख रही होती है. Do this or you don't pay. That's bullshit. Everyone knows that, right? So people are making big promises on ads without a brand. And a lot of people are making these 20-minute generic videos. Watch my video, you'll transform without having anything unique. Why would your prospect convert, right? If you are doing everything others are doing, chances are you are doing stupidity. You understand करो, right? Ads आप किसी की कॉपी कर रहे हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स FBE मेंबर्स को, मैं अपने मेरे मास्टरमाइंड मेंबर्स को मैं ये कहता हूँ मेरी एड्स मत कॉपी करो. Why? मैं कहा यू कैन डू दैट, यू हैव द फ्रीडम, मेटा एड लाइब्रेरी करके कर सकते हो. But my ads are being copied by 90% of the industry already, right? Rather, I teach them how to build their own systems, own business, own style, so that it cannot be copied, right? Also, big promises on ads. लोग सोचते हैं यार हम ad पे ऐसी चीज बोल देंगे जिससे क्लाइंट बन जाएगा. नहीं, मैक्सिमम आपने कोई बिग प्रॉमिस कह दी है तो मैक्सिमम आपकी लीड जनरेट होगी, बट उससे नर्चर और कन्वर्जन नहीं होगा, राइट? सो next is people are copying content and even scripts. I've seen my ads being copied word by word. Lot of our FB strategies are being copied exactly word by word जो हमने अपने मास्टरमाइंड के लिए बनाई है. इवन अदर इंडस्ट्रीज आर टेकिंग इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम दैट, विच इज फाइन, राइट? बट अगर आप पूरा ही कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहे हो एंड इफ यू आर योरसेल्फ नॉट जनरेटिंग आइडियाज विदाउट आस्किंग योरसेल्फ व्हाट डज माय बिजनेस लुक लाइक, व्हाट डज माय पर्सनालिटी लुक लाइक, दैट्स एन इशू, राइट? People copying one person slash industry leaders, ये बहुत common चीज है. Next is people acting like they are perfect. If you act on social media that you are perfect, people would understand that you are bullshitting, right? Everyone knows that no one is perfect, and most people, especially in the fitness industry, fitness coaching, they have already taken coaching from people like these, and it hasn't worked in the past. They have had bad experiences from people like these, right? So that's something which you need to understand. So if you are just copy paste कर रहे हो, सारी चीजें copy paste लग रही है. I'm not sure आपने वो देखा है कि नहीं. There's a Spider-Man meme जिसमें 6 Spider-Man होते हैं, सारे एक दूसरे को point कर रहे होते हैं, and all of them are pointing at each other. If your marketing या social media content या ads look like this, then it's a big issue, right? The issue with this, customers are sick of people acting like someone else. Hence, they pay zero attention to these people, irrespective of whom they are copying, right? यार इंडियन कस्टमर्स के मामले में मैंने एक चीज देखी. इंडियन कस्टमर्स आर वेरी वेरी स्मार्ट, सो यू कांट बुलशिट देम. सो इफ यू थिंक कि आप कोई ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट यूज करोगे, कोई मैजिकल चीज बोलोगे उससे काम बन जाएगा, कुछ मैजिकल कंटेंट पीस बनाओगे उससे काम चल जाएगा, कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे, डजंट मैटर. You need to show your personality and you need to show other parts of your personality also. That means you are not perfect. इस पे there's a detailed framework on content on our YouTube channel. You can check that out. Be yourselves and learn how to share your life, your insight and your perspective. भाई इंसाइट एंड पर्सपेक्टिव शेयर करने वाले कोचेस की शॉर्टेज है और शॉर्टेज रहेगी बहुत टाइम तक, बिकॉज लोगों को ये चीज समझ ही नहीं आएगी, राइट? सो यू नीड टू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस, योर बिलीव्स, not someone else's belief copy paste, because बाकी industry तो ये कर रही है, right? Also, as a beginner, it might be difficult. ये चीज करना, being yourself might feel like a little difficult, but starting में inspiration लो, but principles की inspiration लो from your idols, right? Principles समझो, and the day you start applying principles is the day you start winning, right? Try to create everything based off your experience, your thought process, and your learnings. And in 2024, biggest asset is just being yourself. अब ये बहुत हार्ड चीज है टू रैप अराउंड, मुझे भी पता, मेरे को खुद बहुत लेट समझ आई थी, बट somehow I had some sort of non-neediness when it came to business, because मैंने first 3 years of my career business को इतना seriously नहीं लिया. मतलब I was never caring about numbers, नहीं गिन रहा था, but business was growing every month. So through that, because मैं business की tension नहीं ले रहा, मेरे को ये नहीं था, oh I need more clients. Because of that, I was always able to be myself. I was like, I just want to enjoy this because I have my dad's business, and even if I don't do that, still my life is sorted. उस mindset की वजह से अब some of you might think कि गलत mindset है, but that helped me a lot, right? Because indirectly that helped me to be myself, right? And now I look at it, that helped me a lot, right? So try to be yourself from day one itself. Take inspiration. ये नहीं है बाकियों से सीखना नहीं है. Take inspiration. You are listening to this, you're taking inspiration, right? नेक्स्ट इज लीड जेन में पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर शॉर्टकट्स एंड मैजिक. लोग सोचते हैं कोई मैजिकल फनल मिल जाएगा हमें, मैजिकल चीज ऐसी कर लेंगे जिससे बिजनेस ग्रो कर जाएगा. मैजिक डजंट एग्जिस्ट. कोई भी फनल है, कोई भी मार्केटिंग सिस्टम है, उसमें आपकी बहुत मेहनत लगे, बराबर ही मेहनत लगती है हर किसी में. तो यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट फील्स ट्रू टू यू, व्हाट फील्स लेजिट टू यू, एंड वेयर इन व्हाट एरिया और इन हुज डायरेक्शन यू आर सीइंग रिजल्ट्स, राइट? दैट मीन्स, I mean, I take pride in this. No one has results like us. It's as simple as that, right? इतनी केस स्टडीज किसी के पास नहीं होंगी, right? In fitness businesses. Why? Because this works, right? And how do I know this works? I've been doing this since last 8 years. My main company, Trained by IBS, right? So guys, keep in mind, shortcut और magic नहीं work करता. Shortcut मतलब आप सोच रहे हो कि आज किसी ने someone saw you and कल client बन जाए. That's possible, but that's very rare, right? Because there has to be, you need to spend time building trust and making people believe that your coaching principles and coaching mechanism work. Issue क्या है, most लोगों का coaching mechanism ही नहीं है. They're just seeing other influences and thinking कि oh this would work, right? So अपने coaching mechanism और खुद में believe करवाना है. Example देता हूँ. You listen to me for 30 minutes today, this video. Uh, you'll be like, yes, this person understands his shit, right? So that's the thought process. So you need to build trust. So every time you consume any content, peace of mind, even if you don't buy anything from me ever, still आपको trust build हो रहा है over time, right? And this part cannot be hacked. That's why your leads and prospects, those who are interested in your service, need to go through a trust building cycle. Lazy people are looking for shortcuts, and that's like 80% of the industry, right? And I'm not saying 80% सिर्फ fitness industry में हर जगह यही होता है, right? That's human nature, right? People are looking for shortcuts and want to convert a lead into a prospect, into a client, into a high ticket client immediately. नहीं होता. Trust gets built. Just ask yourself, if you're someone who has watched multiple of my YouTube videos, or know me for more than maybe 6 months, how long have you been trying to build trust with me, right? It's been a while, right? And someday or other, if you actually want to excel in this career and actually want help, from our regards, you'll come to us, right? I know that, right? So that's why I never worry about competition कि कोई बंदा कहीं चला गया, वहां चला गया. It doesn't matter. There are unlimited people in the world, and most of you guys won't even become my clients like ever. I know that, but some of you would, and right, a lot of you are watching this right now, and you are seeing the process happening. That means I'm not saying कि यार मेरी एक ad देखो and become my client. Don't. It's fine. Keep on consuming my content, right? Because trust build होने में time लगता है, and everyone is different that way. And keep in mind, since most people are lazy, that's why your favorite scripts, when it comes to your maybe content or ads or something like that, become saturated in hours, right? Not days, right? चीजें कुछ भी अब नई चीज आती है मार्केटिंग में, it gets saturated within hours. Why? Because most people are copy pasting instead of using their own brain, and I don't believe in that. Use your own brain, make your own systems, and because if you're copy pasting, yeah, Indian customer, I told you, is very smart. Sooner or later they'll realize they would not pay any attention because they would be like, यार copy paste लग रहा है बंदा, right? So that is the next principle. Next is not allowing time, similar to the previous one. But whenever you're trying a new strategy, when it comes, पहले हम कर रहे थे customer journey की बात, prospect to customer journey की बात. Now I'm talking about not allowing time for any strategy to work, right? When you start with a strategy, कोई भी strategy हो, चाहे FBA वाली strategy भी हो, it would take a bit for you to go through the learning process, right? Because कुछ भी आप नया start कर रहे हो, you literally suck at it because you are unskilled right now. And it's very clear. And this applies to everyone and most people. Instead of embracing that they have to suck at something for a while, they switch the strategy. क्या होता है आपने कोई चीज स्टार्ट करी यू डिड गो थ्रू द लर्निंग प्रोसेस जिससे आप इंप्रूव होते आपने इधर इस वाले पार्ट पे आपने कहा कोई ना स्ट्रैटेजी स्विच दूसरी स्ट्रैटेजी पे भी नीचे से स्टार्ट किया लर्निंग प्रोसेस होना था आपने फिर स्ट्रैटेजी स्विच कर ली राइट सो स्टॉप लुकिंग फॉर दैट शाइनी ऑब्जेक्ट जिस जो जहां भी आपको लगता है ना प्रिंसिपल्स आपके सबसे ज्यादा अलाइन करते हैं लॉजिक बिकॉज इन दी एंड गाइस business is lot about common sense right so whenever you are investing your time and money in any strategy ask yourself logically does it make sense right for me फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको एक एग्जाम्पल दिया कि यार हाँ आदि इंडस्ट्री ये 20 मिनट वीडियोस बना रहे हैं वीएसएल्स भी कहते हैं इनको वीएसएल्स हैव अ ग्रेट रोल टू प्ले एक्चुअली राइट वीएसएल्स मैं खुद ही यूज करता हूँ बट अंडरस्टैंड लॉजिकली आप ये बताओ कि भाई 20 मिनट आपकी कोई वीडियो देख के कोई इतना नर्चर हो जाएगा कि आपका हाई टिकट क्लाइंट बन जाएगा आप किसी के आज तक हाई टिकट क्लाइंट बने हो 15-20 मिनट की वीडियो देख के अनलाइकली राइट आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस डजंट वर्क बट एज टॉप ऑफ फनल that this is the only marketing asset you have sorry won't work again in my opinion again कुछ लोगों के लिए जरूर वर्क करती हैं चीजें not everyone when I talk about these things I talk about 80% of the market right saturated markets में 20 minutes are not enough to build trust it's as simple as that and fitness has been a saturated market saturated for average people I'm not saying general saturation कुछ नहीं होता competition exist नहीं करता if you are very good and if you have your own individuality and if you are not doing this bullshit which I just mentioned right so that is what so basically आपको मैंने बताया कि आप strategy switch करते रहोगे तो it won't work out give it every strategy at least 10 to 12 weeks. Worst case scenario, 10 to 12 weeks, and certain cases it might take a little longer. I've seen a few cases. I'll give you Karthik's example. Karthik is an 18-year-old working with us. He started working with us for first 8 weeks. He got zero clients, zero clients. Now, at age of 18 years old, he's making 3.5 lakhs a month. क्योंकि 9th वीक तक उन्होंने वेट कर ली राइट एंड ये चीज आपको कोई इतनी ऑनेस्टली नहीं बताएगा आपको सारे लोग बड़ी क्लियरली बहुत वो बोलेंगे नहीं नहीं हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी से रिजल्ट 1 वीक में आ जाता 2 वीक में आ जाता फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ माई क्लाइंट्स 80% लोगों के रिजल्ट विद इन दी फर्स्ट 4 to 8 weeks आ जाते हैं 20% के थोड़ा लॉन्गर लगता है बट इट डज वर्क राइट and no one would tell you this honestly and Karthik की case study है fitness business accelerator पे first case study I think when he made 1.5 lakhs अब double हो गया actually and that is what I'll give you example of another case study Amit also got zero clients for the first 8 weeks literally zero now he makes like 4-5 lakh rupees a month every month while having his full-time job tech job bhi hai and he's like killing it that way right so it takes time and at times it takes longer no one will tell you I know when I say such stuff I lose some clients but I don't want to work with those who with wrong expectations on the other sector I'll tell you I have had clients जिन्होंने business start किया first month में 2 lakh rupees a month literally within first 3-4 weeks Nikita you can check out her case study and there are a lot more so that is what case study check out कर लो तो detail में mention किया ही होता है मैंने and that is what uh, सो कीप इन माइंड हर जो भी आप स्ट्रैटेजी करते हो इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड होता है दैट मीन्स लर्निंग कर्व होता है अपने लर्निंग कर्व से गो थ्रू करना पड़ेगा बट ये भी याद रखो अब गलत स्ट्रैटेजी पे आप लर्निंग कर्व जितना लगा लो गलत स्ट्रैटेजी है तो वो नहीं वर्क करेगी बिकॉज इट डजंट फॉलो द प्रिंसिपल्स राइट तो प्रिंसिपल्स फॉलो होने चाहिए राइट एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ आपका कोई फ्रेंड है who announces guys I'm a coach now would you trust him immediately or would you trust him after he provides value to you repeatedly and over time? Right? 90% of you would be on this side, 10% of you would be on this side only if You have seen this person give their heart and soul in the past to fitness, health and knowledge, right? So both way, long story short, आपको ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करने में टाइम लगता है, चीजों को वर्क करने में टाइम लगता है. तो आपका जो फ्रेंड है जिम वाला, आपका जो जिम फ्रेंड है, वो थोड़े टाइम अब वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करेगा, आपको वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करेगा, आप उसके क्लाइंट बनना चाहोगे. यू वुड वांट टू बिकम अ क्लाइंट, सो इट टेक्स टाइम. So even if he's trying a new strategy, right? And like mentioned, some of our top case studies had a slow start, and the main reason being that building trust and skills takes time. So at times you need to do the reps. Next, another thing is when we talk about social media and marketing and even conversion, we think हम somehow भूल जाते हैं कि हम humans के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. राइट हमें लगता है हमें कोई चीज मैजिकल करनी पड़ेगी. कीप इन माइंड अदर साइड ऑफ द फोन स्क्रीन इट्स ह्यूमंस, यू आर ऑल्सो ह्यूमन, राइट. बड़ी बेसिक सी चीज है, ये कॉमन सेंस है, सबको पता है, बट जब ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग या लीड जेन होती है, ये समझ नहीं आती. यू स्टार्ट डूइंग अलग सी चीजें जिससे लगता है कि ओ दिस वुड वर्क, कुछ मैजिकल. गाइस इट्स ऑल अबाउट इंटरेस्ट, इंटरेस्ट, ट्रस्ट, कन्वर्जन, राइट. ट्रस्ट या नर्चर कह दो इसको. ये होता है हर ह्यूमन के साथ चलता है, एंड एवरी फनल वर्क्स ऑन दिस प्रिंसिपल, लिटरली ईच एंड एवरी फनल. एंड दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम मी लर्निंग फनल्स. 2-3 साल मैंने सिर्फ फनल ही अंडरस्टैंड करे, जब मैंने सोचा वो एड चलानी स्टार्ट करनी, 3 साल मैंने ये किया, राइट. देन आई थॉट अबाउट हाउ आई हैड ग्रोन trained by YVS and the Fitness Business Accelerator when I was not running ads, right? Organically. तब भी सेम चीज, इंटरेस्ट, ट्रस्ट, कन्वर्जन, तब भी सेम चीज. बिकॉज देन आई रियलाइज, ओ यार ये तो ह्यूमंस वाली बात होगी, राइट. एवरीवन इज अ ह्यूमन एंड दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स. ठीक है, हमें लगता है कुछ मैजिकल चाहिए, नहीं, ये ही प्रिंसिपल है, कुछ भी कर लो, राइट. दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल एंड दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम लिटरली 8 years being in business. I understood this thing last to last year वैसे. I think 22 या 23 में मेरे को actually I was like light bulb moment कि यार in the end कुछ भी future में work करना है, इसी principle पे work करना है. And that is what I told you this already. Human nature always remains the same. Interest is generated in you, then in your service. Then interest deepens, then people reach out, then comes a conversion process. Conversion process आपको नहीं पता तो इस पे भी detailed training है YouTube channel पे. 57 plus crores my clients have generated so far using the conversion process, and that is what. Also एक चीज भी याद रखो कि lead gen, marketing, sales and delivery आर नॉट स्टैंड अलोन एक्टिविटीज. ये भी लोग गलत फहमी में जीते हैं कि पीपल थिंक कि मार्केटिंग अलग चीज है, सेल्स कुछ और है, और लीड जनरेशन कुछ और है, और वो है योर बिजनेस इज इंटीग्रेटेड एंड सर्कल है इन सारी चीजों का, राइट. कुछ पार्ट सर्विस में आता है, नॉलेज में आता है, नीश में आता है, आपकी लीड जेन हो गया, नर्चर हो गया, कन्वर्जन हो गया, ऑल ऑफ दीज टुगेदर, सो व्हील की तरह, राइट. सो इफ यू आर थिंकिंग कि आपको अपनी बिजनेस को ग्रो करने के लिए सिर्फ मार्केटिंग चाहिए, नो यू आर रॉन्ग. यू नीड एवरीथिंग टुगेदर वर्किंग इन सिंक विद ईच अदर, राइट. इस पे भी डिटेल ट्रेनिंग है. आई थिंक 7 systems योर बिजनेस नीड्स टू ग्रो, दैट्स द नेम, एंड दैट इज व्हाट. Lead generation should always be person led, that is based off your personality, and product and service led. The day you understand this, कि यार, the day I have the best product in the world, all I would need to market is talk about the product, and people would get marketed. And that is what I've been doing since the last 2 years. अब मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा oh my service is the best in the world, but yeah, it's the best for my niche. Another pitfall I've seen with coaches is good coaches, good content creators is कि content creators, एक content creator dilemma समझाता हूँ मैं. Humans, till the time you create content for free without putting out any call to action, कोई business की बात नहीं करोगे, आपके views और likes हमेशा ज्यादा आएंगे. सोशल सर्विस आप जब तक कर रहे हो, व्यूज एंड लाइक्स आपको हमेशा आएंगे ज्यादा, राइट. सो लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स क्या होता है, जो कंटेंट अच्छा क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, दे आर लाइक कि यार एवरीथिंग इज गुड, एज सुन एज दे स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट देयर सर्विस, लाइक्स वगैरह थोड़े कम होने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, राइट. इसके दो एस्पेक्ट्स भी हैं. एक है कि आपका ऑब्वियसली इंस्टाग्राम एल्गोरिदम अंडरस्टैंड्स यू आर रनिंग अ बिजनेस. इफ दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस, तो वो भी कम रीच देना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कि सबकॉन्शियसली ताकि आप एड्स रन करनी स्टार्ट कर दो. नाउ दिस इज अ हाइपोथेसिस, मैं इंस्टाग्राम एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, बट दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई हैव सीन हैपन विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. राइट, सेकंड थिंग इज व्हेन यू द डे यू स्टार्ट पोजिशनिंग कि ओके आई एम रनिंग अ बिजनेस, दैट इज द डे वो जो सोशल सर्विस वाले प्रोस्पेक्ट्स हैं जो हु वुड नेवर पे यू, हु नेवर वांट टू पे यू स्लैश फ्री लोडर्स, they stop engaging with their content, right? Which is fine, fine to lose such people, right? I'll talk about another concept in a minute, which would clarify this thought process for you. So, इस चक्कर में क्या होता है, अच्छे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स एंड इवन स्मार्ट कोचेस दे डोंट पुट आउट डायरेक्ट ऑफर्स. उनको शर्म आती है अपनी सर्विस की बात करके, बिकॉज उनको लगता है ये रिस्पॉन्स. गाइस, लाइक्स एट कैश. लाइक्स डज नॉट इक्वल टू मनी, राइट? सो आपने ये चीज याद रखनी, चाहे लाइक्स आपके जीरो आए, engagement zero है, if your business goes up, you'll change the game. I'll tell you something very clearly. Last 2 years, अगर आप trained by YBS पे frameworks देखोगे, I created frameworks which got literally lakhs of views, right? But they did not generate any clients. Versus I have created content pieces जिनकी reach, I have a big account, right? काफी followers हैं. उसमें भी reach आ रही है, मतलब maybe not even 10%. 10% आ रही है reach, या तो 10% impression और reach में some posts have made lot more money. Some need many. जो भी money making posts है ना, they won't have the best reach, and that's a fact. ये चीज याद रखो, राइट? सो वो लाइक वर्सेस व्यूज वाली चीज आप वो हो जाओ कि यार आपको यू नीड मोर मनी इन द बैंक और लाइक्स एंड व्यूज. लाइक्स एंड व्यूज चाहिए, दैट्स फाइन, आई रिस्पेक्ट दैट, बट देन डोंट थिंक यार बिजनेस क्यों नहीं ग्रो कर रहा. ऑल्सो, if you're putting out direct offer, see, if you have built a service which changes lives, why wouldn't you want to change lives of people? पीपल फील कि यार ओ गलत गलत लगेगा लोगों को. गलत क्या लगेगा? गलत सिर्फ इडियट्स को लगता है, राइट? ये भी मैं बता देता हूँ, देयर आर इडियट्स ऑन सोशल मीडिया हु वांट एवरीथिंग फॉर फ्री. And these are the same idiots who later on, when they start their own business, wonder ki why are people not paying me? Because you never paid anyone. Because you did not invest in yourself, right? And you don't sound like a salesman. It's as simple as that. Principle follow karo, provide more value than you ask for, right? Gary Vee ka logic hai jab, 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 hook, right? So basically, provide value 3 times, ask 1 time, right? And this ratio always works well, right? And that is what. कंटेंट, अब आपने ये डिसाइड कर लेना है कि यार कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनना है, अपने कोच बनना है, राइट? देयर इज अ हाइब्रिड आल्सो. हाइब्रिड भी इसका अवेलेबल है कि आप यू स्टे समवेयर इन द मिडल, मतलब यू प्रोवाइड मोर वैल्यू 5 times, देन यू आस्क, राइट? दैट इज आल्सो डूएबल, बट you need to ask if you want to optimally grow your business, right? Also, a lot of times people don't feel confident when it comes to their service. I've seen a lot of great coaches who don't feel confident when it comes to their service. That's imposter syndrome, right? Literally, just move past it, because to improve your service, you need to coach more people because your experience goes up, right? A lot of people feel that they are not good enough, but you are good enough. If you're watching this, if you have spent 28 minutes of your life listening to me in this non-edited video, that means you're serious about this, right? And you will kill it. It's a promise, right? I'm not saying FBA join karo, not necessary, but do it on your own. But don't spend all the time consuming, and you'll change the game. If you have the knowledge and have spent time building a great service, you are not just trusting yourself. Disservice कर रहे हो खुद को, because अगर service अच्छी है, that's why first thing I like doing at FBA is knowledge sort करो पहले, फिर service build करो. बहुत important है. Guys, also knowledge and service are two different things. आपने याद रखना है. It's not just about creating the plan. It's about making sure that the plan is being followed, right? I've seen good and passionate coaches never talk or promote their services directly. And to be honest, they should be, because they can change lives. You can change lives, right? And as coaches, by not selling, we are doing a disservice to those lives who we can change. Assume karo, ask yourself, would people have a better life consuming your free content, or would they have a better life if you coach them and you change their life? I would always choose latter, right? So keep that in mind. अदर एस्पेक्ट है ऑपोजिट ऑफ दिस. देयर आर सम पीपल जो सिर्फ अपनी सर्विस की बात करते हैं. बाय माई सर्विस, बाय माई सर्विस. नो, दैट वोंट वर्क आउट. व्हाई? बिकॉज पीपल नीड वैल्यू फर्स्ट, राइट? अब मैं ये यूट्यूब चैनल है, राइट? मैं रोज एक ही वीडियो बनाऊं, ज्वाइन माय सर्विस, डीएम करो, कमेंट करो, फॉर्म फिल करो, पूरे टाइम ये करते रहूं, wouldn't make sense. Versus I'm providing value to you to 30 40 minutes, then I'll say ki, a soft book that, if you are ready right now, check it out. If not, then watch other videos. As simple as that, right? So keep that in mind. People invest in people, not in services. If you just keep on selling your service and never talk about yourselves, never provide value, your personal life, you get dehumanized. Matlab, people won't be able to connect with you. If they don't connect with you, they would not convert. We need to talk about our personal life to create a connection with our audience. Content पे detailed framework है, detailed training है. Do check that out. Right? You don't need to act perfect. It's actually the other way around. More you show that literally you're not perfect, more people would connect with you. Literally, look at my setup right now. Right? I have a professional DSLR lying here. I have a Shure K SM7B mic, literally best mic in the world. I'm not using that. AirPods kar raha, right? And obviously, you must have already noticed my handwriting is not the best in the world. Plus, I don't even edit the videos. ऐसा नहीं कह रहा edit ना करो, because editing करने के भी advantage अपने होते हैं. But advantage is obviously, especially on Instagram, you would want things to be edited, right? मैं ये नहीं चाहता किसी को गलत मैसेज जाए. But long story short, once you reach a certain level, you can learn the rules like a pro and break them like an artist, right? I don't follow any rule here when it comes to titling the videos or anything else, right? It's working well for me, at least for getting clients. I wouldn't say we have thousands of subscribers, but we are getting more clients, right? The more truthfully you share who you are, your stories, your lessons, your own mistakes, and goof ups, your quirks, the more people relate to you and trust you, right? 99% जनता क्या कर रही है? They are trying to hide their imperfections, right? 1% people understand that, everyone is imperfect and everyone understands that. So, more you share, more you connect, right? More trust leads to more people wanting to work with you. You should set up a system where there's a balance between value, connection, and social proof. ये system create करो, people invest in people, not in services, right? The most important principle when it comes to marketing, sales, conversion, and creating content. Most won't. Most people won't. Most people won't buy your service. If 1,000 people watch this video, I know 900 wouldn't buy my service ever. Right? ये चीज आपको accept करने की जरूरत है. So you need to get okay with understanding this basic principle. Right? So, okay with expecting a no. For example, 1,000 people, आपकी Instagram post की reach 1,000 है. 1,000 people saw your post. How many of them engage with the post? Very few. Same goes for all aspects of your marketing and sales, right? Most people won't, right? Most people won't buy. It's as simple as that. Most of your followers won't be your clients. Most of your leads won't get on a call. Most of your calls wouldn't convert, right? The proportion of hearing no higher than would always be higher than average of hearing a yes, right? सो ओवरऑल एवरेज आप करोगे तो आपको नो ज्यादा सुनने को मिलेंगे इन योर बिजनेस, इन योर करियर, इन योर लाइफ, irrespective of how good you are as a coach. For example, 1,000 of you watch this video. Not all 1,000 of you would ever message me that, dude, I want to join your service, right? I want to change my life. So it's as simple as that. Be comfortable hearing no. Difficult है चीज wrap around करनी, but this is something which is very important, right? But ये चीज ना आप already माइक्रो लेवल पे कर रहे हो. आप कंटेंट पीस बनाते हो, 100 people see it. Do 100 people like it? The answer is no. 90% of them don't even like it, right? So वो most won't वाला principle हर चीज पे apply करता है, but it applies to everything in marketing. If you are expecting yes all the time, then you are up for getting disappointed, right? The faster you get okay with that, the faster you start growing, because some would say yes, and these are the people whose life we would want to change, and these are the people who would change our life, right? Because on a larger scale, if you increase the volume of no's, you also increase the volume of yes, and you reach your business goals, whatever your business goal is, right? Six figures, getting first 10 clients, multiple six figures, 7 figure months, 1 crore rupees per annum, 2 crore rupees annum, whatever your goal is, right? You'll get there. Next is not understanding individuality. इसको ध्यान से सुनना और समझना. That your business has to be centered around your life and your life principles, not the other way around. And keep in mind, everyone is different, right? For example, everyone has a different principle, everyone has a different goal, different personality, right? क्या प्रिंसिपल्स हैं आपके, राइट? प्रिंसिपल्स की इंस्पिरेशन लो, गोल्स आपके पर्सनल होने चाहिए. आई नो सो मेनी ऑफ माई पास्ट क्लाइंट्स who got comfortable after reaching 2 to 3 lakhs a month, 3 lakh rupees a month पे पहुंच गए वो, they are happy, they are cool, because that's their goal, that's their life, that's their priority. So they are happy with that number, right? So अब मैं नहीं impose कर सकता. For example, my next goal is to get to 1.5 CR per month, right? अब मैं बैठ के ये सोचूं कि यार is my life and their life same? No, it's different because their goals are personal to them. My goals are personal to me, right? So it's their goals. Everyone has a different strength. Some people have a different strength when it comes to providing value. Some people have different strength as a coach. Some people are better at follow up, whatever your strength is. Some people are better at content. Some people are better at conversion. Some people have a better personality overall. Some people look better. Hundreds of factors, right? So आपने ये देखना है कि यार आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, आपके प्रिंसिपल्स क्या है, वैल्यूज क्या है आपकी, आपके गोल्स क्या है, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, आपकी वीकनेस क्या है, ये भी यू शुड नो, राइट? वीकनेस क्यों, why should you know your weakness? So that you can work on it. You can gain any skill. For the first 18 years of my life, I was the biggest introvert you could find. My speaking skills were next to zero, right? My family used to make fun of me, right? Not in a negative way, but they were always like, my family's too honest. So whenever I used to create something in the beginning, they used to be like, why are you hesitating so much and stuff like that, right? So I understood my weakness and I was able to work on it, right? Now I wouldn't say I'm the best speaker in the world, but I'm good enough to, hold your attention for these 36 minutes, right? It's been 36 minutes I've been creating this video, right? So keep that in mind. And again, keep in mind all of these together makes you you, right? So your strategy should be in relation to you, right? So I'll give you a very simple example. मेरे पास बहुत बार ये question आता है, okay, I have reached 5 lakh rupees a month. Should I run ads right now? The answer would be it depends, right? What is your top of funnel? Is it sorted right now? That means, are you getting enough views, likes from your content? Are you, is your discovery mechanism already sorted? If it is already sorted, top of funnel sorted, then you don't need to run ads. I'll give you example of Guneet. Guneet reached 12 lakh rupees per month last month. 12 lakh rupees here in the last month. And he's running zero ads right now. So there's no universal answer to the question, right? On the other spectrum, for some people, I'll say even at 2 lakh rupees a month or even at 1 lakh rupees a month, now start running ads. Depends upon the case, right? Next is what is your brand building strategy? क्या brand building strategy आप use कर रहे हो, right? Is that getting you enough leads for reaching your next goal, right? What is your next goal? If someone has a goal of maintaining at 5 lakh rupees a month and already सब कुछ सही चल रहा है, maybe don't run ads. What's the point, right? Next is what is your comfort level with hearing a no? If you don't feel comfortable hearing a no at all, then maybe don't run ads right now. Because ad वाली leads आपको ज़्यादा no बोलेंगी because they are not that nurtured right now. Versus those who are being nurtured on your profile since a while, right? So another question which we need to ask ourselves is, are we ready to go through the learning curve again? Because whenever we start something new, we need to go through the learning curve. आपको सिखाया था मैंने ये वाला ये वाला part, right? Learning curve से go through नहीं करते आप strategy switch करते, that wouldn't work out, right? Are you ready to build a team? I've seen so many of my clients who have reached 3 to 5 lakh rupees a month, but then they are like, okay, I don't want the headache of working with other humans. I don't want to build a team. So a lot of times I'm like, okay, let's optimize systems. Then take a call कि यार किस लेवल तक हम systems पे पहुंचा सकते हैं आपके business को. And on basis of that we take a call, right? So it's individual for everyone. अब मैंने आपको example लिया था एक certain case का कि that if someone asked me this question, the answer would always depend upon all of these factors, and this is applicable to all cases, right? Right? For example, if you're someone who's already has a full-time job and up 5 lakh rupees a month पहुंच गए हो, then I would say, dude, either leave your job if you want to grow this further or just maintain this because you're making money, but I want you to have a good life also. Don't get overworked, right? Depends upon the case. Depends upon the age also, right? If it's someone who's young, I would say crank it out, right? Crank it out right now. That means even if you have to work 11 hours a day for now, do it. Because when you're younger, you have more energy. And I realized that at age of 28, when I was 23, 24, 25, my energy was unlimited as compared to right now, right? So depends upon a lot of factors, depend upon, again, your personal goals. As a coach, I'll give you one very simple example. As a coach, my goal has always been, or as a business owner, my goal has been, okay, I want to keep on growing because I like the game, right? I've started enjoying the game, and it's not about money for me as the main thing. But yeah, money becomes a thing because whenever I'm making more money, that's a sign that okay, whatever I've been doing, whatever skills I've been gaining, that's working out, right? So my personality doesn't mean that my client's personality would be the same. Your personality would be the same, right? So also what amount of sacrifices are you ready to make? You need to make a sacrifice for everything in life worth having. 5 lakhs to 6 lakhs per month pe bhi jana hai. You need to make sacrifices, right? If you're not ready to make sacrifices, maybe just take a step back. Just maintain. So that is what understand करो हर कोई different है. Everyone is different. And guys, ये गलती मैंने as a coach भी करी थी. ये भी आपको बड़ी honestly बता देता हूँ that in the beginning I used to think I had a few clients who FBA join किया उन्होंने business multiply हो गया 7 to 8x in 3 months, right? Still, they did not continue with us. मतलब they did not renew with us. I actually thought multiple times, ki, what the hell is happening? So, I said that, I told myself that, maybe it's lack of understanding of business or whatever. उस टाइम में मतलब basically subconsciously I judged वो and I'm just being honest here, this is back in the day, not right now. Subconsciously मैंने कहा कि यार अगर कॉमन सेंस है कि भाई अगर आप 7 8x कर गए हो तो you would maybe 1.5x or 2x again. But उस टाइम मैं क्या गलती कर रहा था? I was being an idiot because I was not understanding these aspects, right? That everyone has a different goal. If my goal is to, multiply my business every 3 to 6 months or 9 months, 12 months, whatever the goal is, uh, सबका goal same होना जरूरी नहीं है, right? So, you need to understand perspective, how they see the world, how everyone sees the world is different. And, I was being wrong here at this part, but now I realize that, everyone has a different journey, right? And this is coming from, and, I saw this with a lot of my, transformation clients also. Someone lost 15 kgs working with me, but they did not renew because they asked me, what new will I get? I said, no, nothing new. We just continue with this and lose another 15. And a lot of times people dropped out, right? So that is what. And tab bhi mein same cheez thi, dot question mark, what the hell is happening? Isn't this common sense? But then I realized everyone has different goals, different strengths, different priorities, right? तो वो रिस्पेक्ट करने की जरूरत है जो मैं अननोइंगली बीच में नहीं रिस्पेक्ट कर रहा था एंड just want to be honest here, right? I told you that okay, all of us do goof up, right? And a lot of times ये चीज मेरे को कॉमन सेंस लगी and in a few cases ये कॉमन सेंस वाली प्रॉब्लम भी थी, right? I saw some people who the strategy worked for them, they jumped the strategy after that, literally. Now I don't know what happened after that, but yeah, exactly, right? So at times you need to respect individuality of others, which I have learned over the years, but at times you need to use common sense also. Next, guys, ये मैं already subtly cover कर चुका हूँ, but guys, keep in mind, just marketing wouldn't work. You need to build your own whole business, right? You need to fix your knowledge and service, find your niche and understand your niche in depth, right? You need to build an undeniable coaching offer. You need to create a system for constant value proposition for your clients, prospects, and creating connection. Then you need to have high authority and you need a non-needy conversion process to learn how to converse in DMs. You need to have promotion cycles where you put out offers in creative ways, and you need to learn how to generate leads on demand. Then after that, uh, you need to understand team building. Uh, you also need to understand ads, funnels, etc. This is actually, by the way, these steps are the exact steps which we follow to grow fitness businesses, right? So these are the steps which we follow to grow fitness businesses, and we guide our teammates step by step with this, right? And that is what, and this is what we do for scaling. And That is what. So, long story short, इस pointer का बस thought process ये है कि keep in mind you need to grow your whole business, not just marketing. And your business starts with service, knowledge, understanding of who you want to work with, right? This is the basic. Then comes lead gen, then comes nurture, then comes conversion, right? And then comes scaling systems and team, right? ये सारी चीजें, all of these things come into play when it comes to business. It's not just marketing, right? Lead gen is a small part of it. And keep in mind, the day your marketing becomes product led, you'll change the game. So work on your product and service first. And as always, literally, I somehow planned कि यार I'll try to make this video training within 10 minutes. Somehow 45 minutes okay, but it's fine. No regrets. Okay, so you like this? You love detailed frameworks and other YouTube videos. Just check out the other YouTube videos. Subscribe, please. Subscribe क्यों करवाना चाहता हूँ ताकि आप लोग नर्चर हो जाओ and some of you guys become my clients and that is what and again guys we have a detailed framework on lead generation 101 uh, YouTube वीडियो भी है and अगर आपको टेक्स्ट फ्रेमवर्क्स ऐसे रीड करने पसंद है तो फिटनेस बिजनेस एक्सेलरेटर डिटेल केस स्टडी चेकआउट करनी है तो हेयर and literally, you don't need to join FBA. You can grow with the knowledge which we provide, right? And if you want to take your fitness business to the next level, fill the short form. नीचे short form होगा. Just check that out. Or you can directly WhatsApp us here on this number. If not, you can also DM us the word scale if you need help. And what would happen once you message? We'll see whether we are a good fit for the if whether you are a good fit for the program. If we are a good fit, we'll reach out to you and we'll have a quick chat with you. If we align, we'll walk you through the program. If not, if we don't align, we'll redirect you to free resources like this. Right? So it's a win-win situation. And that is what. And if you're interested, do message us. Would love to see where you are and whether we can help you or not. And that is what. See you on the other side. Thank you for watching and keep on watching. Subscribe. Check out our Instagram channel. Check out the case studies and see you. Bye.